Get Growing Leeds is a local campaign to get more people in Leeds growing food. In 2024, Feed Leeds received funding from Leeds Community Foundation. This allowed us to ramp up our efforts from previous years, and we were able to work with Meanwood Valley Farm and Oakwood Market Garden to pay them to grow edible seedlings for us. The first part of the project was to encourage people with food growing knowledge and skills to share them with new growers. We did this through SowARowXtra. This is a campaign that invites people to sow extra edible seeds and give them to others, especially to those who are new to food growing. People shared their seedlings with friends, neighbours, local community groups, and in the Little Veg Libraries around Leeds.
So this is where you come to pick up your lovely seedlings. So come on into the greenhouse. And these are the seedlings for Feed Leeds.
There's actually 250, so there's slightly more. That's beetroot that's hardened up or gone into shock a little bit. And then there's pumpkins. These are bush tomatoes.
We're showing you what to do with green tomatoes. We've got some fermented green tomatoes here, and we can share that recipe. And today we are making an Iranian style pickle.
When you grow your own, it always tastes so much better.
Let's get growing Leeds.